Hola, buenos días. Hoy es día 62 de 100 Days of Spanish, where you can aprender un poco de español. Hoy voy a presentar un diálogo, una conversación imaginaria. So, you're going to invitar a un amigo o a una amiga a salir. So let's take that word salir. It means to sally forth, to go out. Salir. ¿Quieres salir? Bien. Vamos is shall we go? It's we go. It's let's go. Vamos. Think vamos. Vamos. When your mum was trying to shoo you when you were little. Well, my mum said that. Vamos. Come on, get out. Vamos. Vamos. It comes from vamos. Let's go. Shall we go? We're going. Bien. Vamos. Sí. Where to? You might know the word where is donde. So where to, they say it the other way around. They don't say donde a, they say a donde. A donde. So let's have some vocabulario. Vamos, sí. ¿A dónde? A mi casa, my house. A tu casa, your house. Well, that's not really salir, is it? It's not really going out. So maybe a la piscina. Piscina. How are we going to remember piscina? Well, you're going to think Pisces is the sign of the fish, and piscina is a place for swimming. So piscina, the Pisces are in the piscina and they are swimming like los peces, the fish. So, vamos. Sí. ¿A dónde? ¿A la piscina? Sí. First rule of improv. Say yes. Sí. Or maybe you don't have your swimming costume. No tengo mi bañador. No quiero ir a la piscina porque no tengo mi bañador. Right. Don't worry about that. So you want to go somewhere else? You want to go to la playa. La playa is the beach. How are we going to remember playa? Maybe there are players on the beach. Players on la playa. Bien? Me encanta la playa. Me encanta. I love it. Me encanta el espacio. Me encanta la paz y tranquilidad. The peace and quiet. Donde vivo, where I live, las playas no tienen mucha gente. Not a lot of people. Hay mucho espacio. Hay paz y tranquilidad. Me encantan las playas donde vivo. I love the beaches where I live. Bien, so, quiero salir. That's your other phrase. So, I want to go out. Quiero salir. I want to sally forth. Quiero salir. Let's build this diálogo. Build is construct. Vamos a construir el diálogo. Quiero salir. One person says that. The other person says, sí, vamos. ¿A dónde? ¿A mi casa? No es salir realmente. Bueno, a la piscina. No tengo mi bañador. Don't have my bathing suit. Bueno, I don't know who's asking who now. These fingers are out the window. So, vamos a la playa. Sí, me encanta la playa. Por supuesto. supuesto, of course, of supposed or for supposed. Por supuesto, vamos a la playa. Buena idea. Estupendo. Now, you practice the dialogue. Recomiendo que escribes el diálogo. You can copy mis notas. Puedes copiar mis notas. Escribir el diálogo and act it out un poco. Even if it's just you talking to yourself. Así, like that. Así se aprende. You learn. Así se aprende el español. So we've got tres palabras, la piscina, la playa y mi casa. And we've got tres frases. Vamos a mi casa. ¿Quieres salir? Do you want to go out? And we've got sí, por supuesto. Yes, of course. One more. A donde. You've got to put them all together in order and make that diálogo. Mañana we're going to do going out to somewhere where you have to pagar. Un restaurante, un museo. And what we're going to do is arrange to meet. We need a time and a place. And we'll do that mañana. Subscribe if you like the videos. Share them con tus amigos who are learning un poco de español. And come back mañana for un poco más. Hasta mañana. Adiós.